Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to restore deleted objects in Windows Server 2025 and enable AD Recycle Bin. Go to Windows Search. Type here Server Manager. Click on Server Manager. Go to Tools. Click Active Directory Users and Computers. Expand Domain. I am going to create a new user. Select Users. Let's maximize this console. Right-click on Users. Click New. Select User. Fill user information. First name I am given it name Bob. User logon name Bob. Click Next. Type password. Confirm password. Uncheck user must change password at next logon. Check on user cannot change password. Check on password never expires. Click Next. Click Finish. Now our Bob user is created. Now I am going to enable Active Directory Recycle Bin. Minimize Active Directory users and computers. Go to Tools. Click Active Directory Administrative Center. Active Directory Administrative Center is open. Maximize this console. Click on Domain Name STB. Click on Enable Recycle Bin. Click OK. Click OK. Refresh Active Directory Administrative Center. As you can see, deleted objects container is showing. Let's close this console. Open ADUC. Delete Bob user. Click Yes. Click Server Manager. Tools. Active Directory Administrative Center. Click Domain STB. Select Deleted Objects. Let's double-click on it. Now the Bob user showing. Let's right-click on it. Click Restore. Minimize this console. Open ADUC. Refresh this console. As you can see, now Bob user is restored successfully. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.